next. If you're planning your next vacation, you're gonna get do you get your best deal by looking online or by calling the hotel itself? Find out, plus some other money-saving travel tips next. Thanks for watching Sonora Living Live on ABC 15. We're back in a quick moment. From underground supper clubs to virtual reality trips, these are some of the new and exciting things going on this year in travel for the people that are not faint at heart. Today, travel expert Bob Diner is here with the latest travel trends to help you save money and also perhaps enjoy something that's a little bit out of the ordinary, or we can stick to the trips that we've come to know and love.
Well, there's so many great deals out there right now. I mean, this is a really travel bonanza. This is some of the best deals we're probably ever going to see right now, especially for leisure travelers. For those that if you have a little extra time and you want to get away, take Vegas, for example. Rates are unbelievable. Vegas is probably the #1 bargain destination in the country. And now we've got on our website most of the hotels on the Strip ranging from about $20 to about $100 a night, especially midweek. For example, if you really want to live it up, let's say you want to get a big grand suite. I mean, it's fun to live it up in Vegas.
Sure.
5-star. The suites at MGM Grand, top floors, nice big suite. Now, this deal is valid on most days midweek. It's from $92 a night in Vegas. Now, we're talking not 4-star, 5-star. You can really live it up in Vegas.
$92 bucks?
$92.
Is that during the week?
That's during the week. Now, the tip in Vegas is if you come in Sunday through Thursday, rates are a lot lower. They do go up on the weekend. So if you can come in midweek, you're going to get a great deal. But a lot of the hotels, there's a lot of the other major big hotels that are kind of 3.5 star range. We've got most of them on our website for about $30 to $40 a night. Hotels like Sahara, Stratosphere. So the deals are incredible in Vegas right now.
Wow, okay. And then for us, we can easily get in our car and drive, so you save there. But the flights are also extreme.
So the flights are incredibly cheap as well,
like
especially on Southwest.
Yeah.
I mean, it's such a good deal. I mean, you can't stay home. You got to get away. The deals are so good.
Now, on those deals or any of the deals, are we better served waiting to the last minute or booking in advance?
Okay, that's a good question. Because last year I was telling people, wait till last minute. Because vendors from hotels to car rentals to airlines kept slashing rates last minute. But this year, the opposite is going on. Because what's happening is we feel we really hit rock bottom, and now we're steadily going up. So what the vendors are doing, especially hotels, they're lowering the rates in advance. And what we do is I'm one of the guys with the terrible job of traveling around the country, scouting out these deals, but somebody's got to do it.
Rub it in, Dan.
So, part of what I negotiate with hotels is, look, give us a rate. Give us a rate on our site that's 20, 30, 40% less than what you can find anywhere else. But do it for a limited time, 24, 48, 72 hours. Usually you can stay to the end of the year. But if you book it during that window, you can save a lot.
We're looking at pictures from the Radisson in L.A., and so L.A. is another one of those quick trips by plane or car. What kind of deals can we get there, and what are the opportunities for us once we do get there? Okay, well, this is another just great hotel bargain in the west side of Los Angeles. A lot of people like to stay on the west side. You've got tons to do, great restaurants, shopping, etc. So depending when you come in, the rates are as low as $57 a night. Now, I have a tip for you. Okay, if you go to our website, getaroom.com, it says call for lower rates. Okay, most people think that if you go to the internet, you're going to find the lowest rate. And that was the case several years ago. But now what's happened is internet is mainstream. Almost everybody does their research, at least online, for travel, a very high percentage. So the vendors are afraid to really put the lowest rock bottom rates on the website. So what we do with them, we set up a special phone number. And if you call this phone number, and you have to say these magical words, say you want the unpublished rate. Unpublished
rate. That cues the agents off, the bells go off, the confetti comes down, and all of a sudden the rate goes down, typically 10 to 25%, just by saying, I want the unpublished rate. And it works at a lot of hotels in cities like L.A., San Diego, Anaheim,
Do we get the front desk on the line, or do we get the reservation number on the line?
Okay, it's a special reservation number.
Okay.
You can get it when you go to getaroom.com. It says call for low rate, and it gives you a phone number there. And when you call that number, it's very important to say you want the unpublished rate. That's kind of the magical words. The way it works in the travel industry, if you know what to ask for, you can get a better rate. If you don't know, they usually don't give it to you. So it's good to know what to ask for, and in this case, ask for the unpublished rates.
What hotel is this, and where are we traveling to here?
Okay, well, this is a great hotel in San Francisco, another great destination. And you know what's great about San Francisco? The weather's almost always the same. it's always beautiful. It's usually 60 to 70 degrees. You have that great fog coming over the bridge in the morning. But this hotel is one of the grandest in the country. They have an amazing clock there. And this hotel, 2 years ago, used to sell most nights for $300, $400, $500 a night. We've negotiated deals with them. Now, depending when you're coming in, the rates are as low as $159 a night, usually between about $159 and about $229 right now, which is an incredible deal for really one of the grandest hotels in the country. There's also another bargain in San Francisco. There's a little hotel called the Cova Hotel.
The Cova?
Called the Cova, C-O-V. It's a new one that we scattered out. And the rates there ranging between about $77 and $99 a night. And what I love about this, they give you a free, it's my favorite four-letter word, free. They throw in a free breakfast in the morning. So when you get freebies like that,
the free breakfast. I'll choose
like
that one over.
Whatever they give you for free, take advantage of those
Exactly.
deals.
I mean, even if it's just a croissant or a muffin, you know, I've saved some money.
Exactly.
Well, thank you very much for coming in. We're going to have more information and a link to your website so we can take advantage of even more deals under the Living tab. So we appreciate you being here.
Well, that's great. Take advantage of the deals now while you can get them.